Good evening. What we're going to do tonight is we're going to use rounding to help us estimate to see if our answer to our division of decimal problems is a reasonable answer. So to do this, we're going to look at page 46 in your math book, and we're going to look at number 20. So listen carefully. Let's read number 20. It says, when full, a 22-gallon gas tank holds 129 and 8/10 pounds of gasoline. Estimate the weight of 1 gallon of gasoline. If it costs $91.30 to fill the gas tank, estimate the cost per gallon. So we really have two questions there. Let's look at the first part. Let's estimate the weight of 1 gallon of gasoline. And we know that it's 129.8 divided by 22. This would give us the weight of 1 gallon of gasoline. Now, remember we talked in class about using rounding to help us out. So let's think about this. I'm going to change this to 20. So what multiple of 20 is close to 129.8? Well, knowing my multiples of 20, I'm either going to go to 120 or 140. And in this case, 120 is a little bit closer, so we'll use that one to change our problem to 120 divided by 20. Now when we go to solve that, 120 divided by 20, if I skip count that, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, I skip count it 6 times. So the answer is 1 gallon of gasoline is roughly about 6 pounds. Okay. So let's look at the next part of this question that it's asking us. Let's look at the second part. It said it cost $91.30 to fill the gas tank. Estimate the cost per gallon. Well, we know that it costs $91.30, and we know that it holds 22 gallons. So we're going to have $91.30 divided by, in this case, 22 gallons, because that's how many gallons our gas tank holds. So again, we can look at our rounding. Which numbers will work well here? We could use, let's make this 25 in this case. 22 is close to 25. And if I make this 25, I'm going to make my $91.30 $100. So then if I have $100 divided by $25, it means that each gallon of gas costs about $4 a gallon. That's how you do number 20 on page 46 in your math book. Use those strategies, those rounding and estimations, to go ahead and solve page 47, numbers 31 and 32. Make sure you have them in class tomorrow. One of those problems will be your problem of the day. Good night.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.